Children, welcome to our English class. Children, we all know the sound of vowel E, which says e. Let us all make different words with the vowel E. So let's begin our class. The first word is E and D when are joined together. E and D when joined together makes a word ed, 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 as in led, which says ed, led, L-E and D, led. Children, I want to give you one tip. If you remember the sound of a word just like E and D together, ed, so it will save your time to read the word. Combine the sound of E and D together and say ed, and then read ed, led. This way. Let's begin. Okay, so let's read the second word. F-E-D, which says fed, fed. Fed, fed. Fed matlab khilana. Fed, fed. The next one is my favorite. R-E-D, which says, R says ed, red. Red. R-E-D, red. Next one is B-E-D, ed, bed. Bed. Ed, bed. The next one is W-E-D, which says w. W says w. Ed, wed. Wed. In the ed word family, we have read, bed, red, led, fed and wed. Let's look at the other set of the families. That is egg family. E and G when combined together makes a word egg. E-G says egg, egg, egg. E-G says egg. E-G says egg, egg, as in egg, leg. L says E and G says egg, egg, leg, leg. Then comes B-E-G, which says beg, beg, beg. K-E-G, egg, keg, keg. K-E-G, keg. K-E-G, keg. Then comes P-E-G, peg, peg. P-E-G, peg. But tell me children, do you know the meaning of peg? Peg means chimney. Okay. So now look at this E-G-G. Children, tell me one thing. Have you noticed that G is coming more than one time? So what sound are we going to use? G 2 times sound or 1 time? Only 1 time. That means E-G-G will be read as egg, egg, egg. What will we say? Egg. We will say egg. Yes, egg. But why are we reading it the sound of G as 1 time? Can you really think of this part? Come on, think. No? Okay. So I'm going to tell you the reason behind it. And the reason is the next G, the second time G mixes the sound of the first G together. And they together says G, G. Here G becomes more louder. Egg, egg, like this. That is why they are sisters, just like sisters. 2 sisters, going to the market and share the things. Similarly, both the G's share their sound together. Okay, children. So now we have read egg words like egg, fed, keg and peg. Very good. Let's look at N words. En family words says N words. En family words are N words. Which words? N words. Because E says E and N says good. N. E, N, N. As in Pen, which says P says P, N. Pen. Pen. I write with a pen. 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 Den says den. 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 Den means a cave. Gufa. As I told you earlier also, children, a lion or a bear lives in it. Den. Den. Next word is hen, which says hen. 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 Ten. 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 10 fingers. I have 10 fingers. Ten. 10. Then comes 10. Ten. 10. Okay. Let's look at this yen. 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 How? Y says yo and en says n. Yen. Yen. Yen is a currency of Japan. Now, let's all look at ET words. E and T together says et. 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 As in SET, which says et. S. Et. Set. 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 SET says set. Set means all is done, ready, all is set. Now let's look at the next word, which says G-E-T. G says go. E-T says et. Go et, get. After get comes B-E-T. B-et, bet. Bet. B-E-T, bet. N-E-T, net. Net, net. Net is a jal or a jali. Then comes J-E-T. Jet, jet. Jet plane. Jet, jet. Now, let's look at this E-L-L words. L words. Which words? L words. E-L-L says L. L. It's the same as we have read in egg words, like egg. Here is L words, as in bell. B-E-L-L, bell. Bell, you all know, is ghanti. B-E-L-L, bell. Let's look at the next word. Y-E-L-L. Tell me the sound of Y, children. It's Y. And the sound of E-L-L is L. Y, L. What it becomes? Yell. Yell. Say with me. Yell. So when you say L, here you get a little irritation in your mouth. That's okay. Yell. Yell means chillana, किसी पे shout करना, which is a good habit? No, not at all. Yelling is bad. Okay? Let's look at the next word. H-E-L-L. Hell. Hell. H-E-L-L. Hell. C-E-L-L says so. Here the sound of C is not K. It is S. In some words, S. The sound of C changes to S. So we will say cell. Cell, a battery cell, you remember, which we put in our remotes, even in our clock, wall clocks, isn't it? Cell. This is cell. Tell me, here the sound of C is changed to S. F-E-L-L. Fill. Fill matlab girna. F-E-L-L. Fill. Good. The sound of E is E, a long sound. Abhi tak we were talking about and learning about the small sound. I told you about a short sound which says E. Let's learn about the long sound of vowel E, which says E, as in eagle, east, engine. Here, when H and E are combined together, they say he. Why? Because the sound of E is long here as E. Let's look at the next word. M and E together says me. M says ma and E says E. Me. Then comes W and E together, which says we. We matlab hum sab. We. We. Let's look at the next word. B-E-E, which says B-E. B. B matlab makhi. B. Next word is S-E-E, which says the long sound E. S-E-C. C means to look. Dekhna. See. So the long sound of vowel E says E, as in he, we. Let's look at these pictures given below. The first one is P-E-T. Tell me fast. P-E-T says pet. Pet. Very good. Because E-T says et. Pet. The next one is wet. W-E-T. Wet. Wet matlab gila. Wet. The next one is beg. B-E-G. Beg. Beg matlab किसी से कुछ मांगना, भीख मांगना. That is called beg. Okay children, now this has come to the end of our class. I hope you all like today's class and the magic word E, which has how many sounds? 2 sounds. Remember E sound and make various words with it. Now it's time to say bye-bye.